The KGB, the main security agency for the Soviet Union from 1954 until its collapse in 1991, was known for its sophisticated and often covert methods of assassination. These methods were designed to eliminate perceived enemies or defectors in a way that often left little evidence. Some of the techniques attributed to the KGB include 1. Poison. One of the most infamous methods was the use of poison, which could be administered in various ways. A well-known example is the 1978 assassination of Bulgarian dissident Georgy Markov in London. He was killed by a ricin pellet, fired into his leg from an umbrella modified as a weapon. The poison was nearly undetectable and led to his death a few days later. 2. Radioactive substances. The use of radioactive materials like polonium-210 is another method linked to Russian intelligence services, the successor of the KGB. This was highlighted in the 2006 poisoning of Alexander Litvinenko, a former KGB agent in London. He was poisoned by ingesting tea laced with polonium-210, leading to a slow and painful death, while also spreading radiation in public places, which caused an international incident. 3. Chemical agents. The KGB also used various chemical agents. For example, there were reports of the use of thallium, a toxic metal, to slowly poison victims. These agents were chosen for their ability to cause illness or death without immediate detection. Mechanical devices used for assassinations were sometimes disguised as everyday objects. The aforementioned umbrella gun is a classic example, but there were also reports of pens, cigarettes, and even walking sticks being modified to deliver lethal doses of poison or fire projectiles. Direct violence. Although the KGB often preferred more subtle methods, direct methods like shootings or strangulation were sometimes used, particularly in situations where a message needed to be sent or when a swift assassination was required. Car accidents. There were also instances where car accidents were arranged to eliminate targets. These could be engineered by tampering with a vehicle or orchestrating a collision. Psychological pressure and induced suicide. The KGB was known to exert extreme psychological pressure on targets, leading some to commit suicide. This method avoided the need for a direct assassination, leaving fewer traces of foul play. The KGB's assassination techniques were designed to be discreet and to minimize the risk of detection, often making it difficult to prove that a death was anything other than natural or accidental.